I will run, I will climb, I will soar. I'm undefeated. Oh, jumping out of my skin.
We're going to Caesarea. This is the road to Caesarea now. Diba, guys, na-mention sa Bible ang Caesarea na place. So, pupunta kami ngayon doon. Pero siguro hindi sa mga holy places dahil limitado ang kilos namin. Matanda ko. Hindi siya This is like a small mountain.
You read in English?
Yeah, Caesarea Golf Residence.
Now I enter my friend. One from my friend. Here.
This is
Color.
okay, color, and you can see here. You can talk inside the car.
Where my telephone?
This is the house of her friend. Okay. Ito parang bahay sa mamahaling subdivision sa atin. Millionaire people lives here in this village. Guys,
See which
kaalis lang namin sa bahay ng friend niya. Hindi ako kumuha ng video kasi syempre in respect to her also. And guys, so pauwi, palabas na kami ng Caesarea Golf Residence.
12. You see?
12.
12.
So you mean
12.
you mean there are many
Yes.
kumbaga sa atin ba guys, yung subdivision ay cluster ang
And here it's
subdivision 1,
11.
2, 3. So yung pinasukan namin 13. Yung dinaanan namin
Here
12.
is 11.
And this is 11?
Yes.
So, wow. So the owner of this is very rich.
Yes.
And so, tapos ang yayaman pa.
Here is crying English, reading the English.
Caesarea Center, Caesarea Harbor, and Caesarea Aqua.
Here
Oh,
it's golf. Here, many people buy after they become old.
Ken?
Yes.
They are retirement house. There.
Yes.
Ah.
They're here.
So this is Caesarea, guys.
Swimming and all.
Ken. So where are we going now?
Now we're going to see the sea and the kibbutz Sdot Yam.
Okay.
Here it's a very rich kibbutz.
Okay.
Look, after they
Ganda, guys,
put
oh.
flower.
Okay. So pupunta daw kami sa kibbutz na naman dito sa Caesarea.
Here. Look.
The entrance to the
And you
kibbutz.
see all it's so antica. This,
Okay.
you see, this is the entrance.
Pero hindi kami daw pwedeng baka pumasok doon, guys, kasi nga private sa ano sila. Kaya hanggang labas lang kami. At least since you... What is this here?
Well,
This?
the kibbutz.
Ha?
Kibbutz.
The cable.
Yes.
Hindi ko lang
The
makikita masyado.
factory
Guys,
for
ayun.
furniture. And here is the amphi. I will show
Antique?
it. Amphi.
What is it?
Theatron.
Ha?
Amphitheatron.
Amphitheater?
Look in the English.
Old
I
City
don't know.
Sculpture Garden. So okay.
Here is
It's a big park. Autobusin ulay. May mga big park.
Tourist, yes. But I don't know if now it's
School?
Tourists because of Corona.
Maybe they are closed.
You will see. It's like this.
Ken.
And not chair, but steps. And that they sit down and all the theater, the singer,
like
big singer.
Open gym.
It's open.
Yeah.
And
Here.
enter here.
But sarado lang, guys.
5,000 people.
This open gym can accommodate 5,000 people. Ito. Pero hindi lang kami makapasok, guys, dahil Sarado. Ah, okay. Kaya pala ang lawak ng... That's why the big space here for parking, huh?
Yes.
To accommodate all the the viewers, ano tawag doon, yung mga manunood. Kaya pala ang lawak ng ano. So, and this parking is for handicap. This parking here.
Look the
Eucalyptus?
yes.
Yeah, the
look
flowers, very nice. We cannot see this in Caesarea and in Dera.
It is number 8.
Of number 8 of the Caesarea.
First.
Ken. Guys, now we are entering the number 8. Nung kanina, nung sa una, pumasok tayo sa number 13. This is number 8.
Where people are I show you now
Sa isa niyang friend.
where people are go to the sea. Here it's number 2. You will see
Cluster number 2.
after the trees. Yes.
But we are going to cluster number 8, Nakon?
we was in number 8. We cross.
We only cross in number 8. So
In
we're
number
going now in
8
cluster
is the
number
old,
2.
All the building, all the houses.
Ganda ng house.
Now this is number 2.
So we are
You will see.
in number 2, cluster number 2. Caesarea residence. Ibang-iba kay sa cluster number 13 kanina. Ang ganda doon ng mga bahay. Ito naman parang
See
ano siya, marami pang
trees
bakante.
of the olive.
Ah,
Here it's enter to number 2. Here.
entrance of number 2. Number 2 is not like in number 13. Entrance
This is
of number 2. Nako, number 13 is very
Exclusive.
exclusive.
Yes, number
yeah.
2, yes.
And this one is not so
And
exclusive. Tamo guys, ang
this-
dami pang bakante, oh.
In this place.
I saw a new place now here in Caesarea. So many things that Rina showed me today. So, what's the out na lang guys sa aking video. What is this, the tallest, what is this? With the flag of Israel on top.
This,
Yeah.
I think it's for water.
Ma?
For water.
This is for water, this one.
Before Pulitzer was here.
Okay.
Now it's Tuftam.
Uh-huh.
You see, here we was playing bridge.
Here you not
Here,
told me.
here, you see, here.
They played bridge here.
Yes. Here
I-
the center. You see, Caesarea Center.
Can.
Now it's also where Pulitzer opened another place.
Okay. So I have no idea about the bridge, but Trina is playing bridge. She's very good in playing bridge. She had so many trophies and certificate.
Now you will see the museum. The museum.
Ito yung nakita ko kanina. Oh. Andito na kami. Elementary school. This is school?
No, museum.
This is museum.
All. You see?
Yeah.
All.
Yeah, museum. Isa, yun eh. Museum.
Here is number 4.
Cluster number 4 of the Caesarea. Ng cluster ng residence na to. Caesarea, ang yaman. Pero mo hanggang cluster 13 na.
And now we enter to the street of my friend. My friend that she give me the food. Number 5. see?
Your friend that comes to the house and give you
Yes.
food?
You see, Shem,
Kamesh,
6,
Ken.
7, and 10.
As your friend that goes to the came to the house and give you food?
Now,
She lives here in Cesario, cluster number 5.
you will see.
Okay guys. We are in Cesaria cluster number 5 to the second friend. Yung isa niyang friend nakatira. This is what you told me, that your friend since childhood, nako?
With?
Friend, your friend since your childhood.
Yes.
Okay. Magaganda din ang bahay dito. Ayan, ano yung bahay na yan? Is this the house? This one is the house also?
This is house, but I cross the house.
Parang
Bibi, the
yellow house.
the house of the Bibi is here, and
The house of what?
of Bibi.
Bibi Netanyahu?
Yes,
Okay. Can you go there?
yes.